Hey everyone, just wanted to give a quick tutorial on Stream Elements and setting up a merch shop for your stream and for your Twitch. Um, so it's a pretty cool tool to use. It's free, so you're essentially having an online store set up for free. You're not having to pay any like hosting fees or anything like that. Um, the only thing that uh, I guess like the only thing that comes with it is, of course, Stream Elements is going to get their cut from every purchase. Um, so right now we're just looking at my channel here, at my Twitch channel, and I've got a little panel here. It's got my non-canon Tiger Muffin shop here. This was when I was working with a different brand. You'll probably see throughout the history of my page I work with multiple brands and whatnot, but if we click here, anyone's able to click these during a stream, and I even have a Stream Elements bot that will link the store in the chat periodically. But super bare minimum setup here. This is just from the outside, from the user or from the shopper's view. Pretty straightforward. It just sticks whatever picture you want. So in my case, I've got my actual logo on a mug, t-shirt, and then I've got some other logos here that I was messing around with. I haven't played around with how strict they are with copyrights. Obviously, the more popular we get, the less, or the more serious we want to be about, following copyright laws and things like that. So and also it's just cooler just to see your stuff on the clothing anyway. But yeah, besides that, I just wanted to give like a quick update and tutorial on how to set this all up. So when we're on Stream Elements website, you're just going to go ahead, if it's your first time, you'll go ahead and sign up. For me, I'll just go ahead and log in, but sign up is the same way. You pretty much use one of these accounts to sign up with. For us, we'll be using Twitch, and this will bring you to the Stream Elements dashboard. So Stream Elements as a whole does a lot for you. It can actually be integrated with your OBS, and I'm using a couple elements, no pun intended, from Stream Elements on my stream. But so you'll notice little things here and there, like I have the Stream Element bot, the chat bot. But just for today's tutorial, we're going to be focusing right here on revenue on the left side of the screen. We're going to click this, and then we're going to go into se.merch, or Stream Elements merch. It is still in beta, so from what I understand, this, there might be bugs and things like that, and I've noticed there's little things here and there. Like, I was streaming yesterday and Stream Elements mentioned the Christmas bundle, and it's just kind of like, we're way past Christmas, why are you still mentioning that? But little things like that are gonna happen, so no biggie. They've got a pretty easy setup here where you can actually manage the merch. So you can see here, just specifically for, like, let's look at this hoodie here. It's got a no zip pullover. You can set the price, and you can whatever you set the price for, it will show you what your profit is. And then you can also edit to see what colors you want. So like if we were to just go in here and hit edit, here, this is where you can add different layers. You can pretty much go crazy with it within, this little square here. But it's pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy, super user friendly, so that's awesome. And then you can up here you'll have your color variations, so you can just check what colors you want available. So for this hoodie specifically, I've got red letters here, or kanji, or whatever it's called. So obviously I wouldn't want my hoodie red, so I have that unchecked. Uh, but yeah, that's just to show how easy it is to really, um, edit and customize these, whether it's clothing, whether it's a mug, um, stickers even. So it's pretty cool. They do have a marketing tab. I haven't had the chance to use it too much, and this is where that Christmas bundle comes into play that I was talking about. So it's basically, these are just tools to like make your store, to one, advertise your store, and two, to keep your store up to date, keep your store engaging. So we've got winter effects. Since it's winter, I'm guessing it features, yeah, it looks like it features snowflakes and snowmen. And then eventually we'll do the summer effect, and so on and so on. I haven't touched my store in a while, and it's, I don't have to worry about anything like running out. I don't have to worry about anything being sold out. It looks like the main thing here is just like everywhere else online. They're having issues with production and shipping, taking a little bit longer, but that's everywhere. And then here you have your payments. So I actually have $8 that are available for withdrawal, so that's awesome. That was a pleasant surprise. And then I can see my order history here. So it looks like someone bought a Tiger Muffin mug back in March. Yeah. So that's pretty cool, actually. Pretty straightforward. If we were to, I'm guessing there is a limit. Let's see. Start withdrawing from $20. Yep. So you need to have at least $20 available for withdrawal, and then you can withdraw. So that's pretty straightforward. And then we can go into settings. So here we've got my email address, things like that. A little bit more settings that you want to set up and whatnot. And then you have your button here, which will just take you to the store. So it's always good to kind of have your store up while you're making changes, and then just doing a quick refresh. It just, that way you can see the updates in live time. And that's pretty much it. And like I said, I use this from a very like high level. I'm not like super deep into it. I came up with a couple designs in the beginning, and I've just kind of stuck with that. Like, that's really it. I'm not really doing anything special or any like special bundles or anything. So really, if that's something you're interested in doing, you can actually take your shop to the next to the next level or two. But other than that, that's all I've got for today. If you guys have any questions or anything, definitely feel free to ping me on Discord, or ping Brian on Discord. And it's a team effort, so even if I don't know the answer, we'll definitely try to figure it out together. All right, thanks everyone.